Hello students, I am Gayatri Miss and today I am going to teach you GK of class UKG and the topic name is water transport. So children, today I will teach you water transport. So the first of all I would like to explain you about transport. Transport means to carry people or goods from one place to another place. There are three different types of transport like land transport, water transport, air transport. So, children, the topic is water transport. Water transport is a kind of transportation by using water. It means the process of moving people or goods by boat, ship, and other means of water transport. Now, first is BOAT, boat. Now, this is the picture of boat. So, children, now I would like to tell you about boat. A boat is used to travel on water. A lot of people can travel at one time. The boat is smaller than a ship. It can be used for fishing. It is also used for rescue purposes. People use the boat to ride on the lake and ponds. It is made of wood and it is a cheap transport. Now the next is SHIP, ship. This is the you can see this is the picture of ship. So children, a ship is a large boat that can carry passengers or cargo for long distance over water. People have been using ships for transportation, exploration, and war since ancient times. Ships usually have many decks. The decks are like the floors of a building, cabins for passengers, engines, and control rooms. It is a cheap transport. Now, the next is YACHT, yacht. Now, this is the picture of yacht. Students, a yacht is a sail or power vessel used mainly for racing. It is a type of boat. Originally, yachts were sailing boats, but now there are also motor yachts. It is a large boat with sails. Now, the next is MOTOR, motor, BOAT, boat, motor boat. Now you can see this is a picture of motor boat. Motor boat, also called power boat. It is a small water craft. Motor boat range is in size from miniature craft designed to carry one person. Most motor boats have a space for 6 passengers or fewer. Motor boats are used for traveling on water for the enjoyment of such sports or fishing, swimming, etc. Now the next is STEAM, steam, BOAT, boat, steamboat. Now this is the picture of steamboat. A steamboat is a ship that uses a steam engine or steam turbine to move. At first, these were paddle steamboats. Steamboats had a sport-like span of just 4 to 5 years. It is a most popular water transport. Now, the next is SUBMARINE, submarine. Now, this is the picture of submarine. Yes, students, you can see a submarine is a vessel or ship that can go under water. Submarines are called subs. Also, militaries and scientists use submarines to travel deep under the ocean. The submarines used by military and submarines used by scientists also for exploring. The submarines may have mechanical arms, cameras, and other tools to help them under water. You can see in this picture, a submarine has huge tank that allow it to dive and to surface. For power of submarines, use engines and batteries. Now, the next is HOVER, hovercraft, CRAFT, hovercraft. Now, you can see this is the picture of hovercraft. Now, I would like to explain you about hovercraft. A hovercraft is also known as air cushion vehicle, or in the short form you can say ACV. Hovercrafts are widely used in maritime rescue. A hovercraft is a vehicle supported and moved by a cushion of air blowing. It is used on water and land where the surface is smooth. It is capable of traveling over land, water, mud, ice and other surfaces. Now, the next I would like to teach you SHIKARA, Shikara. Now, this is the picture of Shikara. This is also means of water transport. Shikara is a type of wooden boat found on Dal Lake and other water bodies of Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir. Shikaras are of various sizes and are used for multiple purposes including transportation. Usually Shikara sits 6 people with the driver. Now you can see in this picture Shikara. Now next is CRUISE, cruise. You can see students, this is the picture of cruise. A cruise is a large ship with sleeping cabins. Cruise ships are large passenger used mainly for vacations. A cruise ship is a large ship with sleeping cabins and other facilities that take people on holiday and vacations trips. Hundreds or thousands of people take cruise each year. Now the next I would like to teach you students. This is JET, jet, SCOOTER, scooter, jet scooter. Now you can see this is the picture of jet scooter. Yes, this is also means of transport, water transport. A jet scooter is a small machine like a motorcycle that is powered by a jet engine and travel on the surface of water. You can see this jet scooter on the surface of water. So children, I have taught you water transport. So you will study at home water transport nicely from your book. Thank you.